The IDEXX TECTA-B4 is a rapid, automated microbiology testing system for detecting bacteria in water. TECTA instruments offer several unique benefits and technological advancements in water quality analysis. TECTA instruments are a lab in a box and can be installed almost anywhere, which reduces sample transit times. The testing workflow is simple, allowing nearly anyone to be trained on the method. Automated incubation and results interpretation means that tests can be started anytime without worrying about whether lab staff are available to read the test. Results are emailed to you as soon as they are done, allowing you to react to positives sooner. The TECTA-B4 has a 4-chamber capacity and can be run with 4 different TECTA-Alert cartridges, each available in a 100 milliliter format. Details of each of these test types will be outlined at the end of this video. The TECTA instrument continuously incubates and monitors each sample. The onboard optical system monitors for an enzymatic reaction, similar to what is used in other IDEXX methods, like colialert. When a fluorescent signal is detected by the optical sensor, the instrument immediately reports a positive result to the user. Results are reported as both presence-absence and quantification on each test and offer a counting range of less than 1 to 10 to the 8th colony forming units, CFU, or most probable number, MPN, per 100 milliliter sample. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to process a sample using the TECTA-B4. In this video, we will use the TECTA-Alert ECTC test for the detection of total coliforms and E. coli. To process a water sample, you will need a TECTA-B4 instrument, a TECTA validation cartridge, a TECTA-Alert test cartridge. To begin, power on the TECTA-B4 using the toggle switch located in the back on the instrument. The screen will take about 1 minute to return to the overview screen. Validating each sample chamber with the validation cartridge is recommended monthly, but is not required before each sample run. See the product insert for more information. Before beginning the test, the cartridge can be gently tapped to loosen any compacted powder. Open the TECTA-Alert ECTC cartridge by lifting the textured flap. This will release the tamper-proof nub. Mix the sample by inverting it 10 times. Then add 100 ml of sample to the TECTA-Alert ECTC cartridge. Cap the vessel by either closing the lid or by locking the tamper-proof tab in place. Gently swirl until the contents are dissolved. The sample may remain cloudy after swirling, but is now ready to be tested in your TECTA instrument. To initiate a new test on your TECTA instrument, select the New Tests icon on the left side of the screen. Next, enter your sample ID in the text box. Details about the sample can be recorded in the Test Details screen. Details from this section will be included in the results report generated after the sample run completes. In this example, we will select Standard Mode, TECTA ECTC, Drinking Water, and 100 milliliter sample. Common sample locations can be added to a drop-down menu by entering a new location and selecting the plus symbol. Locations can also be deleted by selecting the location from the drop-down menu and then selecting the X symbol. Once all sample details are added, select Add. The TECTA instrument will allocate the next available chamber for that sample. Select the Overview icon. This will show the overview screen with a selected chamber showing a blinking yellow icon. Manually open the instrument. Ensure that all cartridges are dry before adding to the instrument. Add your sample to the corresponding chamber. Once the TECTA-Alert cartridge has been added, close the lid. A progress bar will appear on the display as the TECTA instrument detects the cartridges that have been added. Do not open the lid during this time. While a test is in progress, you can select the chamber for a status update or add more sample details. Additional sample details can be updated on this screen. After updating details, either press Save to save changes or Discard to discard changes. Note that sample ID, test type, and temperature cannot be changed once the test has begun. Clicking on the comment box will prompt a virtual keyboard to appear. A USB keyboard may also be connected to the instrument for easy text entry. Samples can also be stopped from this screen at any point in the test. Press Yes to confirm that the test should be stopped. This will show the chamber as yellow and will report the test as canceled. Once canceled, the sample cannot be restarted. Selecting the Overview icon will take you back to the Overview screen. The test will remain in process until either the target bacteria are detected or the test completes without detecting the target. The time to a negative test result will depend on the test cartridge being used. In this example, the TECTA-Alert ECTC test has a test time of 18 hours for negative results. If a positive is detected, the chamber will show a red icon. If the icon has a red circle before the test time has elapsed, the test is complete. It is not necessary to leave positive samples in the instrument after the red icon appears. If target bacteria are not detected by the end of the test run, a green circle will appear around the chamber, indicating the test is complete. When the test is complete, a report will be available on the instrument. If the TECTA is connected to the Internet, a report will also be sent to all email recipients configured in the Email tab. To view a report on the instrument, click on the chamber icon. This will also clear the chamber and allow another sample to be started. Test reports can also be downloaded as CSV files using either of the USB ports located on the instrument. To remove the test cartridge, open the lid of the instrument and remove the cartridge. You will find the quality control procedure in the product insert. TECTA instruments can be used with 4 different test types. The TECTA-Alert ECTC test detects both total coliforms and E. coli. The test is incubated at 35 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade for 18 hours or until a positive result is detected. The TECTA-Alert EC test detects E. coli at 41.5 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade in 16 hours or less. The TECTA-Alert FC test detects thermotolerant or fecal coliforms at 44.5 plus or minus 0.2 degrees centigrade in 18 hours or less. And finally, the TECTA-Alert ENT test detects enterococci at 41.5 plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade in 24 hours or less. Always follow these testing guidelines. Do not invert or shake to mix the TECTA-Alert cartridges. Store tests at 5 to 30 degrees centigrade away from light and humidity. Store validation cartridges in the tube while not in use. And always follow aseptic technique. Keep these tips in mind. No confirmation steps are needed. Optical validation should be performed at least monthly or more frequently for daily users. Validation cartridges should be recertified every 2 years. Do not open the lid when the sample progress bar is showing at the top of the screen. And dispose of all samples and materials in accordance with local regulatory guidelines. If you have questions or need more information, call the IDEXX water microbiology experts at the number on your screen.